Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Google Ad conversion tracking for when a Google Ad visitor clicks to call on your phone number, or clicks or taps, whether they're on mobile device or desktop. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Let's go to Google Ads and let's select Tools and Settings up here, and the conversion under measurement column here, let's click that. Let's select New Conversion Action. Let's go ahead and select the website option and go ahead and enter your domain here so we can get through this setup wizard so we can set up a conversion manually. You can click cancel here, and we want to set up a conversion action manually. Select that. For category, I'll just select contact, and let's call this website click to call. And let's do no value here unless you have an average call value for your business, in which case you can add one here. For count, we'll select 1. The rest you can keep as default. However, I will generally set this to 90 days here. And let's click done. Scroll down, click save and continue. And we're going to select Google Tag Manager. And we're going to need this conversion ID and conversion label here in just a second, so keep this page open as we head on over to Google Tag Manager. Alright, once we're in Google Tag Manager, select variables. We want to make sure we have our built-in click variables, mostly just a click URL, but it's been a habit of mine to select all these, so just in case I need them. But for this tutorial, we'll only need click URL, but if you don't see that, click configure, and then you can check them all here, and there's click URL, so make sure that one's checked. Now let's head on over to trigger. Let's create a new trigger, call it click to call. Select the trigger configuration. For the trigger type, we'll select just links. Now we don't want this to fire on all link clicks, of course, just some link clicks. Select the drop down and let's select click URL. Contains TEL colon, oops, just like that. This is included in every hyperlink that involves a telephone number. So the great thing about using this as the trigger is it'll track click to calls on any phone number on your website. If you have multiple different phone numbers, or if you end up changing your phone number, it'll still track click to calls without you having to reconfigure a trigger here in Google Tag Manager. So let's go ahead and click save. Now let's select tags. We're going to create a new tag here, call it Google Ads website click to call. Select tag configuration. We'll select Google Ads conversion tracking for the tag type. Now we need the conversion ID and conversion label here, so let's go ahead and hop back on over to Google Ads, get those, copy the conversion ID, paste it here in Google Tag Manager, and copy this conversion label and paste it here. Next, let's scroll down to the triggering section, click there, and we'll select that trigger we just created called click to call, and let's save that. Now let's go ahead and preview it. Alright, let's click on the phone number, and we can go ahead and just cancel that. And let's hop on over to Google Tag Manager, preview mode, click continue, and as you can see, there's our tag. It fired right there. To be more specific, it fired on this link click. So everything's looking good. And let's go ahead and submit changes. And there you have it.